Hello, welcome to Cultural Cuisine. We're back with another dessert recipe today. Today we will be making easy and simple carrot cake. I have got all the ingredients ready here for this recipe. So I'll let you know. Here I have 300 grams of self-raising flour, 4 large eggs, 225 grams of light brown sugar or muscovado sugar if you have access to that, or light brown sugar would do. 200 grams of carrots grated. I have here 75 grams of chopped walnuts. Here I've used about 8 to 10 whole, halved of the walnuts, which we will be using for decoration later. And these are some of the spices. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. I'm using dried powder. If you have fresh, you can use fresh. 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of mixed ground spices. And here I have 250 milliliter of vegetable or sunflower oil, whichever one you want to prefer. Okay, first I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients. Let me make space for my bowl. Okay, I'm going to put self-raising flour, mix in the spices, baking powder and ginger. I'm going to mix in the sugar. Whisk my eggs. Lightly. Mix the sugar in the flour. Make sure all the lumps have been broken and they're very small, powdery consistency. We don't want any lumps in here. In the meanwhile, I've turned my oven on to preheat. We need 180 degrees, and if you're using fan, you need 160 degrees. Gas mark would be 4 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I'm going to add eggs and the oil. And I'm going to mix in the carrots as well once it's mixed a little bit. Walnuts and the carrots. I've prepared my tins. I'm using 2 sandwich tins, 8-inch. I'm going to distribute the mixture in half evenly. Okay, this is ready. Scoop some mixture out. this is ready to go in the oven now. I'm going to bake it in the oven for about 35 minutes or until the skewers come out clean. Okay, while my cakes are baking, I'm going to prepare my cream cheese frosting for the cakes. I have here 100 grams of salted butter, 100 grams of full fat cream cheese, and 250 grams of icing sugar. So first I'm going to mix the butter and the icing sugar together. We need to have the butter and cheese at room temperature. Going to mix it nicely. Okay, now I'm going to add cream cheese half at the time. Oops. Use half at a time so it doesn't get too many lumps. Okay, this is ready. I'm going to leave it in the fridge until my cakes are baked and they're nice and cold to ice them. Okay. Okay, my cakes are baked. I've left them on the wire rack to cool down for a few minutes. Then I'm going to take them out from the tin and let them cool at room temperature. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the mini carrots, marzipan carrots, to decorate my cake. I have here 100 grams of marzipan, which I'm going to color. One part I'm going to color green and one part I'm going to color orange. We need green part for the stem and the orange part for the carrots. This could be enough for green part. Add some color. That's a lot. Take a little bit out. Okay, when we are mixing it in, we need to make sure we don't mix them both together. In between, we need to wash our hands so the colors are not mixed in. Orange color is marzipan is ready. Now I'm going to mix in the green color, but before that I'll go and wash my hands so the orange color does not go on the green color. Okay, I'm preparing my carrots for the decoration of my cake. I have taken each of this piece is about 3 grams. I've measured them so that all my carrots are the same sort of size. just flattening it like this, rolling it and then flattening it so it looks like a carrot. Okay, now I'm going to make a few cuts on the, so it looks like carrots. Use as a stem. Cut it into like this. Here, my carrot is ready. I'll do the same with the rest of them. Okay, I've spread half of my icing, cream frosting which we made earlier, on 1/2 of my cake. I'm going to put the second half on top. This, and spread the rest of the icing on top. Okay, the cake frosting is ready on top as well. I've done it very roughly, not smooth, not too smooth. It's going to give it a rough texture. I'm going to put the walnut pieces we saved earlier. I'm going to leave a gap so we can put carrots in between. Here it is, a perfect dessert for tea time. Carrot cake is ready. Hope you liked my video. Please remember to subscribe my channel Cultural Cuisine. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also press the bell icon to receive the notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching Cultural Cuisine. See you soon.